Hey folks, Junior here, and this is another video for Junior's Reviews and How-To Videos. In today's video, I am going to be showing you the Bed Assist Bar by Medline. Just got this got this from my dad. Can't see the woman holding on to it because of the Primes sticker, but this just came in. So I just got this to assist my father a little more getting out of bed. It's pretty lightweight, and this goes basically, I'm going to put it together, and then as you can see in the picture, it goes, once it's put together, it also it comes with a little bag, so whoever's using it could put their remote control, their book, whatever it might be, and then it slides underneath the mattress, as you can see there. And this helps the person getting out of bed to get out of bed. So I'm going to stand up for this one so you can see it a little better. Got a lot going on here. So we got the instruction manual, which I believe comes in English and in French for all of you that speak French, parlez-vous français. So it's really simple assembly instructions. You don't even need any tools for this, okay? It's really simple to follow, and I'm gonna put that together. And once I do, I'm gonna show you exactly how to install it into the bed. So as you can see here, here's the little bag I was telling you about that goes onto it, that attaches with the Velcro straps, and the person could, you don't have to put this on, but why not? This can hold a book, remote controls, whatever it might be. And this is the strap that they use to secure it to the mattress. And these are the legs, of course. Very easy. And I wanted to show you this part here, because this has a nice padding on it. I don't want to rip it, but it's going to be faster if I do. So it's got nice padding here, so the person can hold on to it, nice and comfortable, and push themselves up out of bed. So again, this is the Medline Bed Assist Bar, and I'm going to put it together now. It should only take a few minutes. Very simple instructions. Like I said, no tools, just click in place, depending also on the height of your bed and the cushion, the bed mattress. And once I put it together, I'll show you how to place it underneath the mattress. Again, thank you for watching. Definitely appreciate your time. Please like, share, and subscribe. And once I put everything together, I'll come back and show you exactly where it goes under the mattress. Thank you once again for watching. Definitely appreciate it. Oh, and I'll leave the link for it too underneath the video in the descriptions. Thank you. Okay, so back with this demonstration here. So this literally took 5 minutes to put together. You can see how it's all together here. This is the grip that I was telling you about, nice and foam. The little bag for your phone or cordless phone or book. And literally less than 5 minutes I put it together. Just basically putting the handle onto the frame, and then the feet, the legs, sorry. And then you adjust it, no tools necessary at all. And you adjust it with the little pins according to the height of your bed. So this is the height of my bed. And another thing, it has two loops here, as you can see, one here and one on the end. Okay, and these loops are for the strap that go onto the to the mattress, or not the mattress, but the box spring. Okay. So I guess some people put it over the mattress as well. So what it does say is that For the king size bed or a California king, you would have to use the outer loop, because or else it won't reach over. Now if you're doing a twin size or a queen, you can use the inside one. Obviously it's less distance, you know, less of a cushion to cover. So I'm not gonna go ahead and do that, but again, I mean, this is really simple to do. It's got the you know, clips, and that's it. And then you adjust it to the size according to your mattress. And like I said, either goes here on this loop or on the longer one, the further out, which would be, in this case, for this bed, since this is a king size bed, okay? So you could either move the mattress and do that, move it out of the way, or lift it, or whatever it might be, whatever is easier. In my case, I'm not even gonna use that strap because I'm using it in my father's bed. My father's bed is a twin, and I'm gonna be putting it in position when he needs it, and I'm gonna be removing it when he doesn't need it to get out of the bed. Because if I leave it in position, he uses the side to get his legs down. So it's just, you know, push in, push out. So as you can see here, this one's already adjusted for this mattress, and that's all you do right there. So just imagine that's your mattress right there. This is the height, and that's it. Simple. And again, you know, I can show you how a little look. So basically, I'm going to be using this like this to get out of bed. So again, thank you so much for watching. I hope that I gave you some useful information. I hope that I helped you out with this. This is a great item to have, especially for the elderly or people that just, you know, post-op, you know, maybe somebody that had a hip surgery or whatever it may be. Great, nice and light, sturdy, and it helps out. I'll leave a link for this underneath the video description. And I thank you so much for watching, and I ask you to please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching Junior's reviews and how-to videos. Thank you.